Pating Reviews presents Beelink U57 Intel Core i5-5257U processor mini computer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also check out the links to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. All working happily together. I have been fortunate enough to work from home for the last several months. Since we live in a small house, I ended up working in a small Florida room, and my wife is in the living room. We both use 2x4 folding tables to support our work stuff. I had been making do with a Chromebook whose only fault was that it could not run my ebook manager and my video clipping software. So I got a Beelink U57 to run my personal stuff. I added a 500GB SATA SSD drive with the intention of avoiding flash drives for daily operation. It took about 30 minutes to unbox and configure the computer. I decided to go whole hog and share all the input and video equipment between the two computers. I have both computers going through a HDMI switch to feed the right monitor and utilize the dual input capacity of the left monitor to toggle between the computers. A 2-position USB 3.0 switch toggles the keyboard, mouse, printer, and video camera between the two computers. This configuration allows each computer to run with one or two monitors as the need dictates. The downside is there are a lot of thick cables all over the place. It reminds me a lot of the old stereo system days. First impressions, hardware build was great. Easy to add the SSD. Ports are well placed. Front power switch USB-C to USB-3, headphone jack. Rear to HDMI to USB-2, power plug to Ethernet connections. Left side microSD socket. Windows 10 Pro installation was clean except for a couple kids games. This may not be a hardcore gaming machine, but it will do the things I need. Playing around, I had Netflix and Amazon Prime movies streaming on separate monitors while Heartbreak Ridge was playing in the movies and the TV app. I have been enjoying playing StarCraft 2. It is not an Xbox, but it is fun. I definitely recommend this computer. Here's a little more information about this computer. Operating system Windows 10 Professional. Voice command microphone. Brand Beelink. Hardware interface microSD, Bluetooth, Ethernet, Bluetooth 4.0, HDMI, USB 3.0, secure digital card, USB 2.0. Wireless communication technology, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dual HDMI and HD graphics 6100. Storage expansion options available. Low noise and very portable. Lifetime technical support. And it's a very fast mini PC that runs on an Intel Core i5-5257U. Base frequency at 2.7 GHz up to 3.1 GHz. It runs much faster than the i3-5005U and many other models. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.